you ever heard someone say, bro, I trade in FNO? And you're like, FNO kya hota hai? Future option? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, you'll understand futures and options so clearly that you'll never be confused again. We all understand simple stock trading, right? Buying and selling shares. But the moment you hear future options contract, it feels like you're completely in a different world. FNO is a powerful tool but also risky if you trade without understanding. So let's break it down step by step. What does FNO mean? FNO stands for future and options. They are called derivatives because their value is derived from something else. Simply put, their price depends on an underlying asset. For example, an FNO contract can be based on stocks like SBI, TCS, Dr. Reddy's, etc. Exchange indices like Nifty, Sensex, etc. What are futures? A future contract is like a promise. It means I will buy or sell this stock at fixed price on a future date. For example, you tell a farmer today, next month I will buy 10 kg mangoes at rupees 100 per kg. If next month the price becomes rupees 150, you still get it for rupees 100 and you profit. That's exactly how a futures contract works in the stock market. What are options? Options work slightly different. For example, share price is equals to rupees 100. You buy an option to buy it at rupees 105 by paying a 3 rupees premium. If price goes to 120, you buy at rupees 105. Profit. If price falls to rupees 90, you simply don't buy. Max loss is the rupees 3 premium. In options, you pay a small premium, get the option, not obligation to trade at a fixed price. If the trade goes your way, you profit. If not, your loss is limited. Why do traders use FNO? To hedge, protect their investments, to earn even when the markets fail, to capture quick, short-term price moves, to trade using margin, meaning smaller capital. But always remember, FNO is not beginner friendly unless you fully understand the risks. So, start your journey today with mastertrust. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.